money, wallet. Nicotine. Keys, cleaning cloth, little flashlight, bottle opener, Swiss Army knife, primary flashlight, S2R, Baton 2, pocket knife, plasma lighter that also has a flashlight. Flashlights are like ammo, you can never have enough. Advil liquid gel to deal with my migraines. Filster, Floodlight 2 holster, running a CZ P10C, CLR VIR2, and a Holosun 507 comp. Spare mag, and of course, the most important, breath mints.
Can't hear a word you're saying. All I can focus on is your shit breath.